Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. For this one, that is about linear differential equations. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu t. So we have e to the power of the integration. We can see that negative next to y. This is negative number 1. So I will put this one gone here. And we have e to the power of negative t. That means we need to multiply both sides by this one. So t minus t, we have number 0. This one similar. And we have 8t. This one we have number 1. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So we can use about the product group of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So this one we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have y e to the power of negative t. This one we have 5t. This one we have e to the power of 8t. And I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.